In this video, you'll learn how to customize coupon-related messages in WooCommerce using the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin. We'll show you where to edit coupon messages, how to add custom messages using placeholders, and how these changes appear on the front end. First, make sure you have the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. To get started, go to Smart Coupons, General Settings, switch to the Customize tab, and click on Messages. Here, you'll see a list of all coupon-related messages, along with their default text, status, and edit icon. To customize a coupon message, click the edit icon next to the message you want to modify. This opens a dialog box where you can update the message text. After entering your custom message, click Update Message to save your changes. While editing a message, you can use placeholders to dynamically display information. For example, the placeholder coupon code automatically shows the coupon code entered by the customer. Let's see how this works on the front end. By default, WooCommerce displays a simple confirmation when a coupon is applied. After customizing the message, customers now see a clearer confirmation like, "Coupon discount 10 has been applied successfully to your cart." This makes it immediately clear which coupon was applied and improves the overall checkout experience. Smart Coupons also supports custom placeholders for advanced use cases. Using a small code snippet, you can define your own placeholder values and reuse them across multiple coupon messages. This is useful if you want to maintain consistent messaging. For detailed instructions, you can refer to the documentation linked below. And that's how you customize coupon messages in WooCommerce using the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Smart Coupon tutorials.